Jada Kingdom gets some new ink work done, but people are saying that she covered up the tattoo of her boyfriend's name.
I'm excited for myself.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, today we are going to talk about Jada Kingdom people. So, from what you see Jada Kingdom up on the road, meaning, you know, she a fly from state to state. Been not sure if a show or studio or what, right? But me see her in a Utah. Cause I remember one at the time she posted and said she there Utah, Salt Lake City, Utah. Then me see she said she want go home because, you know what I mean, them place they kind of different, if you don't understand what I mean. It's a Mormon place, the church. It's a whole heap of church business going there, you see me? So it's not really a party place like that. But people, she get some new tattoo. I don't know exactly where she got these at, but we have some little clippings more of a show of the tattoo. Then me I go tell you know what I go on with these tattoo. So take a look at these clips real quick. Here goes.
You done?
And he freestyled this shit. Stop fucking playing with my boy, bro. Fuck is you talking about? I'm excited for myself, man. I ask you, oi! It do! Hey!
Yeah, people, so let's see what I go on, right? And Jada always get new tattoo, you know, more times she will post on her story and say she want a tattoo artist when she know in a certain area or whatever. You know, you have some people like that will get tattoo and piercing for lift up them spirit. Me don't know exactly if that she do when she want to feel good, she get a tattoo or she have another method to it. But I know that she post more time and says she want tattoo artist in a certain area. But when you can see on the screen right now, it says Jada cover up the tattoo with her man name, right? Verse. So she have verse on the side of her neck. But people, may I look on this and may I say the two picture them look like she look two different directions. So it seems like the tattoo up on the other side, verse name up on the other side of her neck. That's what it seems like to me, right? So I don't know, I want to take a look at it for himself. I want to tell me one thing because it seems like she look to the left pan one and she look on the right pan one. So that would only mean say the new tattoo up on the other side of her neck were not never there, right? And as far as I don't know if she and Verse have any kind of problem or any kind of breakup like that. So it kind of come as a shock to me when time I see this morning, right? But I want to know what the things there right now. I want to know say people I put up beer news when I go so and a beer thing I stir up on the neck. We see all kind of fake news, all kind of false alarm, all kind of thing are going from what they. I don't know what are going. But people may have another video for show now with Jada. She had 6 Flags and she ride the roller coaster and enjoy herself. And I want to show you this because it's fun, right? So here goes a video of Jada at 6 Flags riding the roller coaster. Here goes. Take a look at this.
Pussy! Hey! Pussy!
Oh
I'm not ready. You try while your phone go there. And make me have nothing. Can you love those things?
Okay.
Mama, we dead now! We dead now! Wait. Wait, me dead now! Alright, calm down. My anxiety will stop now. You can't stop. I don't like that sound. What a crackle sound there.
We have more. We have more. Come on, Mamit. And this ride was approximately 2 minutes and 5 seconds long. Oh, God.
Speechless, speechless. Right now, I saw me feel. Make you feel me heart a beat away. This can't be for real. Boy, you fuck. Come back, me do that again. Oh, me come up. Me don't in there. How we want them? Where your bag there? Wait me, how was the ride? Where you there? A pussy, no, only no, me just make nice, cause me that make nice and it just fun. Me don't know, but me never afraid. Okay, look, a pussy. Okay, wait, me I go. I can't stay up on live. Me I go live every time I go up on a ride. So I just go and stay tuned and bear with me. Or else my phone are dead. I don't know if I go work out. It's not bad. Wait, I not promise to no. I not promise to no. What's next? We'll go up on the devil one day. The one we swing. You mean what? That way I go on. You fuck. What you gonna do? Man, that way I go on. Can't say me alone I go on it.
Hey, 1 year.
Hey guys, me not lie, when we not drop, me not lie. Me feel something in my chest moving on. But me never sure why. We have organs, nobody can move, sir. Cause something didn't move, like, me feel something move, me never like that.
You feel like
Yes, no. You feel like vomit for sure?
everything was
Put your finger in your back of your throat and vomit right now.
Map your mouth.
But you can't, they must say me right side of pussy hole, who you want vomit pan, you want me beat you up? You want me beat you up? No. But try to vomit get pan me. Come here, got anything. See the rubbish pan there right there, sir. Puke right there, sir. No make me have nothing, no? Talk to him from another people. Him not hear me now? Look for you. My right side are with me. You're right. With me.
Yeah, let's do this red one.
Yeah, I wanna do the devil. I wanna do the other one. The fucking one where you're afraid of. See that with the scamming thing. Wait a minute. Scamming. Yeah. No, it is the one where. Oh no, bumbuckler, a skydive.
Slingshot, your
A
fault.
slingshot.
Me?
You? Alright guys, we go come on live one at a time. When we go on one at a time.
One at a time. So fucking hilarious.
Sorry. Alright.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.